my twin sister Rahwa. Hello, mates.
Boom 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 boom.
And today we will be doing a lame joke challenge. Hey Karina, what's brown and sticky? I don't know. A stick. Amazing. Yeah, no. Why do people not trust trees? Why? Because they're so shady. Ha 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 ha. Okay. So funny, right? Yeah. Why can't Somali pirates finish the alphabet? I don't know. Because they're lost at sea. Arr. Hey Rahwa. Yeah? What do people call a mean knitted sweater? I don't know. A nitwit. I got another one. Mom told me to follow my dreams, so I went back to bed. Rahwa. Yeah. Why did the sheep go to jail? I don't know. Because he was bad. That duck was bad. I got another one. Why was the cell phone wearing glasses? How should I know? Because it lost all his contacts. So sad. Rahma? Yes? What did Obama say when he was proposing to Michelle? I don't know. I don't want to be Obama myself.
Obama.
How do you make a tissue dance? I do not know. You just put a boogie to it. What do you call a rich elf? I don't know. Wealthy. A Somali man got hit on the head with a Sprite can. He's okay. It was just a soft drink, Grandma. Unbelievable. He's okay. Don't be sad. Cry if you want. I'm not crying. It looks like it. Don't be sad. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please click that subscribe button. Subscribe. And like our videos, please. See you on the next one. Bye.